But I was not elected by the overwhelming majority of the Ghanaian people to complain. I was elected to get things done. Order. I was elected to fix what is broken. I was elected to fix what is broken. And my government and I are determined to do just that.
Somewhat. Nana Adonemu, or man penny, Nana Adodankwa Ekufuado, His Excellency, or no one Casanum. And I all cannot say Ghanaians voted for him to fix the country. And you know, he is not here to complain. He is here to fix the country. And you are defending. And now fix yourself, now fix yourself, now fix yourself. You understand? How can you defend Nanado? Wasa or no one kasa Nanado no unim say Ghanaians voted for him to fix the country and not to come and tell Ghanaians to fix themselves. It is how defending Nana. I wonder what is wrong with your mindset. I wonder what is wrong with you as a Ghanaian. Hey, young fire tribalistic, partisan, whatever politics, NDC, NPP, non chain. Sa campaign win, it is not in the interest of any political party. This Fix the Country campaign is not in the interest of any political party. It is in the interest of Ghanaians. It is in the interest of the people. Into way ever forum, account for kahon, fanti for, and crime for, dagomba for, nanumba for, dagati for, one for. Yeah, now we have come together under the umbrella of patriotism. Say, force your leaders not to fix the country for us. Because look, when they fix the country, we stand to benefit. Whether we NDC new, so your NPP new, so or mine we stand to gain. We stand to benefit. So let us stop defending our leaders. Let us stop defending our leaders and come together with a common voice to force them to do the right thing. Nyaya can say they should fix the country. Send it by Ghana ni biara. Ebetimi abo bra o Ghana. Send be ya Ghana ni biara ebetimi a realizing the dream of Ghana. Obetimi asifie no bi, obetimi atoka no bi, obetimi abie company no bi. Obra bia opesa obo bia no ehun hia se obe cross desert etwa nso edi akwa abrochi akwa haso. Obetimi atna Ghana heya a realizing the dream. Ni aye kan ina no. So let us come together as a people to force our leaders, Nanado, the current leadership, Nanado and his squad to do the right thing. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Hey, very simple. So why are you defending? Stop defending the man. Stop defending the man. The man has the responsibility, the power to fix the country. So let him do it. Samuka say Ghana for and fix it on yourself with there. Then you don't want Ghana to develop. Because a people without a competent leadership, how would they be able to fix themselves? Then you are talking about the next 1 billion years. Or leadership should be able to put in place certain systems and mechanisms to check the people, to force them to do the right thing, to force them to fix their attitude. It's simple. It's very simple. It's as simple as that. Therefore, Free Mind Family. Now, Fix the Country campaign is still ongoing. Na yenyai ene enyai china until say yebehu say ensesan ye bi aba omanum until say yebehu say leadership nanado dan kwakufuado ene ne mpanimfo they have heeded to our cries until say yebedu sam pepenso no enya dia Fix the Country campaign no yebeja echredie da very simple. Na Boga bi nso ede nano atomu bi oye a follower of Free Mind Family. He's more like a brother to me. Tiabusiafo yenika yentie ensemu Aboga no ode atodwa na se wi asa ne amunyina amunim no Machrema Yentie Bogan.
Yo, Ghana, my campaign, and I'm so fear not, Captain Fear not, Mr. Johnny campaign. Hashtag Fix the Country. Yes, it's a time we have to fix the country. And okay, Sabi previous Ghana. Yaye, coom, baby, a mine, and Koyi. Ghana, mine, and Koyi, Mumia Nimsa Ghana, mine, Koyi, and paying for ideas so M1 mine, my mine, and Koyi. I'm a nipple woman, yeah, bread. Ghana, baby, a greyage. Ghana, the man who say, I dear any man is said, very too religious, a Christopher, religious, when you're Cremonia or Quas or a Christian. Now then a man in Quasa. Nipe, what my name say, my mind, quite a Christopher, don't you Christian, you are Cremoni. You were so for Kuku, the moment to preach, Yanko Poncho or Monkom. But Ghana, my sign, the only thing because only politicians in I one. And no much else, they want to move a month for Jay, Yafusika, Jim Sika. As I promised almost what that video was so. Now, Sassian Farinko. Any I'm paying for so, yeah, you more money to me at home, so bit maybe mine and ready to me at home with them. One so, a pop on some near Brunty. So as can on the actual Butomi on Mano Moody. Nayana, my was a ship been paying for what mining Ghana mining man. Ya, multi care, to talk over $100,000. Some more year, Juma said, the American and say, yeah, Juma brand or pay you $900,000 now the talk car. That's as one a wee quine, and you see can a woody. A man's can be quine near the car fossil. Then I'm saying, you scar 1 million and you scar talk auntie and you see continue. Her car quire. Mammy paying for the car and Namswa. They said, I hope. And the Ghana Palm, the 77 periods of Mr. America. And you behave your entire master will be for 3 cameras and no did attempt no. Because, Sabi, and your money panel per se near the Batamu, no Musubana was written that say a Sabi, a genie. Because I know that's what you seek a equine. And mine is sick and as you can, Minister of Road and Transport, that's also have you equine. That's a car quine now. Dear now, Percy and Cancho, 77 previous. Send up Percy Yanka. We are Minister of Health. Ye new hospital, Nipa Yaria, no, or buy a park who feature leader or Congo. Now, that for a sim penny. Now, no Minister of Finance. One of for Riata. We are no. Who by Bruce Sound here do? Who may do Ghana and also say a failure. Health sector, who here pa. Did I don't Minister for Riata? Who didn't say, so we are here, ye see you may be the two. Near show. I didn't say 7 previous, ye heard nature and you pop police, I hear me up on this. So be a Christian. The animals here preaches here, go heavy. Now, well, who young was a one because I said, dear, when you're dead and find your young coin. Now, if he says a baby or have whatever quite so, Nipa Ghana and paying for any more to me, some with some woman, man, calling him, ranting him, Baba, and yet, my Nanny Palm, Rafonia, baby, Tranquil, you need to be a yet more Ghana. Overcar. A bit more young for swerfy mining, no, and young for swerfy politicians, and want to say, face your attitude, face yourself. Me Bible, and I'm said there's law and order to Bedu Kuman and Muse, Yan so from, will be a Gajamian and Muye. And a Muse did ya young fan to form, because Bibia Nafo. Shagana, my team, Bibia Gerjuma. Ube kwa Gerjuma, ye just a pota a catassi, proyasha, ye ma. Near 28 trabarism. Young who's a Ghana, no, I am my Ghana. And young these young people, they other things, no. I am my Ghana. In the other any party, as he said, your dear, your political average be our 20. Political party be our who belongs to no. Fair no 20. Now you have a man back on him. When I'm betting to me, some bit more up 1 man, according to Nakuado. We are campaign, what's the castle? As a come the Nana, the same Busso, when you who buy a Ghana mine, scanner when I walk and I went here, and now by a Ghana assassin, as a son, I said what is going on, and I continue maybe I say. Car quine Ghana. Health sector, a bini ho, we are in Ghana, we don't need car, Ubehu. And paying for, said you were Brucia, 65 years of maritime, a bunch of more than one baby. What a Ghana, and I said, said you only baby and answer and maybe or Tim Bon home on your better. What the horse I know, you wish your man, Nana Ade. Sabi in previous and now go school where Brucia, our landing. Nana, who call landing, send a school to say Ghana school ya, Gao Papa do back Landia Mwako school. Nana. I don't know what the baby is, you know, as a word down with Yama Ghana, Mama Ghana, yeah, Bressa. Pay for no Mubu Banana, or more money you, as all home. Shakalam say, Nana, says a yes, you say, you Sabi, when your mother somewhere and paying for, Mudum Bewako, Momani Manu, there be Nana. Galan say no Mutu or Mose Ghana. In Kamikas on beach from Mose Ghana, Kamikas and Quassassin. And one a sat in the Kobe, be a year, if you were Biaba. Yeah, they can chemicals episode would gradually will be a bear effect to be out. Tiamu on your margin said, Medium Musica, Metal Pure Water Nazimetosi, in every assassin.
Hello, we're from a drop and Tinasi, Ahun Kimley, the Winya Betty Metal Riding Horse. smooth, fully nyanya.
As what fraud then?
Missy, what from a dropping? Minka di Wedban and Fambra wana.
Dropping.
Manfa parcel uncle, and I'm Minka Jimbra wana.
Dropping.
Minka for woman from Bambra wana.
Dropping.
Minka di groceries and brawana.
Dropping.
Laundry, Makwa Bantam Dodo. When Bia ewo whole Ghana. Go Play Store and our App Store. Not download dropping. DROPYN.
Dropping.
Not from within a minute. No more bohode.
Dropping.
Menso, you Ghana have baby. Yetuma ya sonko. What from is dropping? Masa, ya what town? Kale, moku take dropping.
Seven play as a Ghana. Mona mommy a cassette yamu because so what did you miss over to my idea? Yeah, definitely over to my now any pub on the same as 1 year. We are brona also 1 year. Dear na person yanka say ya bre nana ya bre nana no amamu ya bre Ghana ma ya bre mubia nya NDC MPP na yanka no kre na move forward na babia bia wa ayi akoso ayi tukwan ka okobo bra no omunye party sem omunye tabaris sense media mi yeweni omu ka bom se the man be konani na wan na won pese obegya din se me pen so e na man ye say ye kasa ne abo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Saje so nyame nye ne kra nature nye ne kra ade oye obi aka ho asem tinana ade na MPP government munye bibisa na mo so nchirimafo ne yenka sabi matukwan ma free Ghana mente wo me wo ha ba nkyere se me free Ghana me Ghana ni Ghana e da nka me free ho Ghana koso na adwuma ho ha nka me ma obetena obi kru ma wo ne me ohun enti ye ka ya mo nka se bia ya kwetena obi ma achi ne ka se ye de Ghana ho ye wa obusua ho ye ba Ghana mere bia na ba Ghana and some sabi there's no law and order. And paying for baby who Ghana na ya JB Dankwa. Yeah, who baby at the moment, I'm ordinary person, I'm meeting my Matima, who are meaning you will be young. The MBB I want a fountain. Nana MBB I want a fountain. I would need you be a slam. Yes, someone need you. Mucha when you Ghana mine. No munya to more than you brony bay you. Namua Ghana, minor Ghana and Quenny. Says a Ghana and swing say Ghana, Namiti Ghana. What to do them, Eddie, body as you walk with Benjamin Water, and then Yasa mine, no do any idea, a drone of Buswas and any. Nana, Ghana mine, say, oh, Nana, mere modi, and my Ghana mine say also. Now, as I and I'm on Modu Mojabu or my Ghana mano, on Bedia Chia or so no Bushia. I dare be a hard in it. What Ghana, what to me, as all my mind coso. Ya, 1 year, Ubanya walk at you, no man about so no Bushia, and Casa of a scanny. Osakefo we are Henry Sia pa Ghana mine nana adi die mo kafo ane to asem e koso na Ghana nkoye Ghana yufu bre Ghana mine bre obi esu adai Ghana obi esu se amesesi a asofo wom wuti Ghana ye wa asofo utu nan bia asore wa ha oje Kristo ni o ekramuni Ghana de o no no na ade na Ghana mine ye ti sei ye nyina ni nyame yese ya Kristo for na ye di ye ho bone sa asofo ti aso dem no mu preach say ti se wadam bi di wo so asase de emfa hwe ye dam bi di wo so na ati wiase bi preaching we mani pa bede man na tumpon wo so for preach say preaching wo da Mercedes wo da BMW what to feel trasaco what we are scanning what did you ahiafo ni misia sika e dia beto dan wa buche do yere no ma bigum na de heaven nu nkobi me de ka me nkwanka yen twa asori ni nyinam na yen kwa etete don na de yesi efe na bosom twi kasa yen ti ase ye bosom de ade aya woni ji ho okotena so de ma ye bosom obi asi konwa asi wo na so osom na nyina ye bosom ade a woni ji ho ye efe no bosom na sanke die na ma mmere so aye wodidie se akonadu kwaku firi tigare wo ye bone obekum na ka bone no so sei enne ministers ye gina wonyina swear with Bible na mse power bi anim ti no omo ye de omo pe na omo say man no ma say man a whole minister Timika said the deputy assigned 5 million sika wonim ho hwe how possible ye ka na do mo na to say Tigana pa he na ye ko Tigana pa my Ghana motherland Ghana pa na ejije say na akufu na ne mpanyifo adai bone be na Ghana ye mo say China for age Ghana citizen ye ni say light bill ye pia light bill so unya light u pia internet service unya internet wo bi so di bi ba ma mo mpre ma ne ma ye say kura Ghana he na kwi media me ka o Judge Fear Not, Mekan, Captain Fear Not. Ya ne yeti wa nipa to no hunu ho ano yeso wanyare no wuye nipa ni kwanse we tu no mo ya ko na don't forget say nipa cause and effect ese nyina ti asese di obeye bia say ye papa e bon say dey friend bia obenya reward for it no matter what di obeye bia enti Ghana mo me fix Ghana di Ghana and dey fix ni dey nyina individual so e gina empanyi for so say law and order in place here ye pia nipa ka ye nipa ye adwuma na de otwia no o deserve ye de ma no na man no ohia bibia onya na bibia da na kwema no be never say fix yourself entra na kufu ado wo this year mesrem nana ono mpanyifo muntwa mani hwe mochi na mu starting free baby ase na munye ye hia kwan ye hia school ene na me wera ho enkura ko school o muti form as at now what to be a future leader na ba bochi no ba school abochi ni ati form anya hwe den school nie hospital yakwan and they can say superb and so Ghana to go down more boxer there je bibi o wiase bia nature dey adom ye tia de bone pay e management ye ni man na say Jimmy and I say ya bro and I say bayi na say ni da ho which is which I don't get it nana it's very sad because I need brisam pa na ye wum no I need brisam ti Ghana mo be sorry na ye nyamani yi otherwise man no dey I say
very simple. Very simple. Wa mana is simple, amame. Wa mana is simple, amame. Fear not, today me trust him. Yeah. Fear not, I trust him. Or train camera sin and himself or kasa nyansa nkoa. Wa ma mean sem no kra ayetia wa amame because and someone can make any nana eja wa ka amame no. Simple. Fix the country campaign. It has got nothing to do with NDC. Neither has it got anything to do with NPP. This is for the national good. This is for the interest of the people. This is for a national agenda to force our leaders to do the right thing. Very simple. This has got no connection to any political party. We voted for them. We gave them our resources to take care of. We pay taxes to them. We gave them the power to fix the country. So let them stop complaining. Let them stop telling Ghanaians to fix themselves and let them fix the country. Fixing the country will automatically fix the people. Very simple. Why? Very simple. So ya dagatini, so ya eveni, so ya nkrani, so ya fantini, so ya kuyapimni, so ya chimney. Obi biya uye biyano. Let us come together and put aside our tribal differences, our political differences, and unite with a common voice to force our leaders to do the right thing. Very simple. What am I saying? Very simple. Yes, I am forcing and penning for to do the right thing. Why? Because Ghana mind enye mame free mind nko eye ma won so eye ma wa oti abrochi wa oti Ghana baby bia wo bia no Ghana mind you stand to benefit. Why? Tie na yentiasiesa na yenya say abrebia no we always try to counter a good cause because of sikafia bia yaje edi egu yebotomu nti emwa o man no emwa my Ghana nti Ghana for Mr. Say yina no let us add our voices to fix the country campaign se ne be ya yempedin for no they will be forced to do the right thing. They will be forced to heed to the cries of Ghanaians and fix the country, do the right thing. Se ne be ya Ghana man no so no ebetimi etumpon. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Tiebusha for medemo ebesia sani amu ina amu nimno medin e de George Free Mind ebinom so Ephraim chairman Free Mind makramo.